Hey guys, welcome back to another Resolve tutorial. Today, I just want to go through some basic stuff that I think you want to familiarize yourself with when doing your color corrections and grading. So, as you get into color correction and grading, the first thing that I think you'd want to be aware of is color management. The advantage of using color management is that it takes into account the unique color profiles behind different cameras, like Sony, which ensures a consistent and accurate starting point for your grading process across various sources. Now, if you're exporting video, let's say for YouTube, unless it's like a short film or something, you'll be working in a Rec. 709 color space. Now, you're probably wondering, what the heck is Rec. 709? And basically, it's the standard color profile for video. But Sony cameras like a7 IV, which I'm shooting on now, can record footage in S-Log, which is a color profile on Sony cameras that records in a much wider color gamut that gives more color information. But the caveat with that is that the footage looks flat right out of the camera. But if you follow the steps that I'm about to show you, then once you begin your edit and your project is in a Rec. 709 color space, you can correct and grade your footage much easier to give a more vibrant and realistic look to your images.
Okay guys, so to ensure that you are in fact working in a Rec. 709 color space, go to your project settings under File, Project Settings, then go to Color Management, and here under Color Science you're going to select Davinci YRGB from the drop down menu, and you're going to select Rec. 709 Gamma 2.4 under Timeline Color Space, and same as Timeline under Output Color Space, and then you're just going to hit Save and import your log footage into Davinci Resolve and manually adjust your curves and color wheel until you have a scene that looks like it naturally did when you shot it. So, you adjust your curves, you adjust your lift, you adjust your gain. I actually have a previous video showing all of these basics of color correction, which you can actually check out here. I'll also leave a link in the description below. And I really hope that this video has been helpful. I'm also going to be doing a deep dive into color grading, so be sure to subscribe to see that. Take care, guys.